Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dan Schaefer. We want to get right to WAAY 31's Nicole Zedek. She joins us live from the Huntsville Hospital Fever and Flu Clinic, where they began this child-only testing clinic this afternoon. So, Nicole, how many parents and kids came out to that testing site on opening day?
Well, Dan, within the first 2 hours, they tested 32 kids here at the Fever and Flu Clinic. Now, today was the first day they offered testing here, but that number shows there's been a real need for a children's only test center like this, as COVID-19 cases among children continue to rise.
Our children can't be vaccinated, and they are proving to be a pretty good vehicle for transmission. They're both getting it and spreading it.
Recent nationwide data shows children make up 1 out of every 4 new coronavirus cases.
Over the past probably couple weeks to a month, we've seen an increase in our pediatric patients coming in, needing to be tested, and also an increase in our hospitalizations with those pediatric patients.
The increased need for testing among children has been putting a strain on the Huntsville Hospital Pediatric Emergency Room.
Our pediatric emergency room was seeing a larger volume of patients coming in, whether that being exposed to COVID or having symptoms themselves.
Until Wednesday, the pediatric emergency room was the only place children could go get a COVID-19 test after regular hours.
We also looked at what is the greatest demands for our community, and we know that after hours was a big time that we were seeing patients coming into the emergency room.
Now, children can come to the Fever and Flu Clinic for their COVID-19 test.
Our goal with providing this is that we can have the service here at the Fever and Flu Clinic, and that'll help just decrease the volume that our pediatric emergency room is feeling.
The new children's only COVID test center will take some of the stress off the emergency room, as well as provide convenient testing to help slow the spread among children.
This is a disease that's much better to prevent than it is to deal with.
Their goal is to test 100 children a day, and any kids up to the age of 18 can come Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 3 to 8 p.m. and get their COVID-19 test here at the Fever and Flu Clinic. Reporting live in Huntsville, Nicole Zedek, WAAY 31 News.
Thanks, Nicole. The Children's Test Center will be open for the foreseeable future to help meet the demand for testing.